Good afternoon, sir. Today, I will be discussing the assessment that you have given to us. I will explain each question one by one. Provide examples and share by understanding based on what I have learned. Let me now begin with the first question. So, number one, how can define a simple root in Laravel and what would be a real life example? In Laravel, a root is defined in the root's web.php file using the root facade. A simple root can be created by specifying a URL path and the action it should perform. For example, so ito yung code niya. This code means when a user visit welcome, the welcome view will be displayed. A real-life example would be routing about to an About Us page of company website. Routes act as the gateway to different parts of a web application. Number 2. How do name routes work in Laravel and how might you use them a real-world application? Name routes allow developers to assign a name to route, making it easier to reference and controllers redirect or view. For example, ulit. So, ito yung code niya. Instead of hardworking dashboard, you can use root dashboard. This ensures flexibility because if the URL changes, only the root definition needs updating, not all references. In real-world apps, name roots are useful for login registration and profile page. They enhance maintainability and reduce errors, especially in large projects where URLs often change. Number 3. What is the purpose of roots groups in Laravel and how might they be used? Root groups in Laravel allow you to share root attributes like middleware, namespace, or prefix across multiple roots. They help keep code cleaner and reduce repetition. For example, so ito ulit po yung example niya. Root groups Laravel. Here all roots automatically get the admin prefix. In real-world use, root groups are common in dashboards, APIs, and user rules. They streamline organization, ensure consistency, and enforce policies like authentication and permission across group roots. Then number 4. How does middleware work in Laravel and can you provide a practical example? Middleware in Laravel act as a filter for HTTP requests before they reach the controller. It can handle authentication, logging, or data modification. For instance, the middleware ensure only logged-in users can access certain pages. Example. So, ito ulit yung example niya. So, in this case, anyone accessing profile must be authentically. The practice example is e-commerce checkout. Only login users should place orders. Middleware is powerful for enforcing rules, protecting sensitive areas, and ensures smooth request handling across an application. Then last, how can you handle form submission and CSRF protection in Laravel? Laravel provides built-in CSRF or cross-site request forgery protection to ensure form submission. When you create a form using Blade, you must include CSRF to generate a hidden token. Example, ulit sir, ito yung example niya po sa yung code niya. Yan po. This token validates that the request come from your application, preventing malicious attacks on submission. Laravel verifies the token before processing in real-world apps. CSRF protection is vital for login, registration, or payment forms to safeguard users' data from uh, unauthorized manipulate. So, yun po, sir. Thank you po.